Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth shape animation in PowerPoint in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, go to the Shapes menu and select a rounded rectangle. Draw it on your slide and then change its color to your preference. Next, click on this little arrow to open the Format Shape panel. From here, go to Shadow and add a drop shadow in this direction. Now, duplicate the shape and adjust its position like this. This will add depth to your design. Next, draw two circles on top of each other. Change their color and add your details to personalize the design. Now, select all the elements and press Ctrl+G to group them together. This makes it easier to animate. Finally, select everything and apply the fly-in animation. Adjust the animation direction to match your design and you're done. And that's how you create a stunning shape animation in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.